Hi guys, welcome back to this week's video. In this video I'm going to go through how I sculpted this chihuahua head. It was initially for a commission, but the customer changed their mind and wanted a different colour, so this little doll will be up for grabs next week. But in this week's video I'll go through how I sculpted the head of this little pup. As normal, my Patreons will have early access to any work that I have releasing, so they'll have early access at the start of the week or so. So if you want to snap up this little doll, then feel free to join my Patreon and then you can get it earlier. If not, she'll be in my shop at creaturesofnat.com. So I think for this video I'm just going to let the sculpting play out, but I'll go through the materials that I used for it first of all. So I'm sculpting with Sculpey Original. That's the white Sculpey. You can get two different other Sculpeys. Super Sculpey and Sculpey Firm. Super Sculpey is the beige coloured one, but I like to work with Sculpey Original. It's a little bit softer than Super Sculpey, and I just prefer to work with softer clays, but it's really totally up to you what you prefer to work with. And for this particular one, I'm using a aluminium foil core that makes the Sculpey head a lot lighter than doing a solid sculpture, and you also might have some issues with curing the Sculpey if you have some that's too thick. So I always use a aluminium core for anything that I'm doing. So I just surround the aluminium core with Sculpey and then I start building up on it. For the eyes, I'm using glass cabochons, and these ones I've hand painted myself, but you can find them anywhere online from any local craft stores. Usually have them, or eBay or Etsy or something like that. You should be able to find them. Anyway, I have a range of different tools as well that I use. Some are clay tools, some are tools from Sculpey, just various different types of tools. So that's pretty much it for me talking in this video. So I'm just going to let the rest of the video play out. It goes for about 14 minutes, so it's sped up, so not all of it is in real time, otherwise it'll take forever. But anyway, thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I really appreciate it. I have heaps of different things up on my Patreon if you want different access to things, tutorials and patterns and stuff like that. You can join my Patreon. I try and update it pretty regularly, given if time permits, I guess. So the link is in the description. Also, the link to my shop is in the description, creaturesofnat.com. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at creaturesofnat. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! Bye.